my students, the females couldn't handle me apparently. It's very upsetting, but it's going to give me a right to yell at these people more. Okay, begin. Why are you staring at me? Begin.
Can we get a suggestion, please?
Let's do this again. More energy, unlike those arms, McKiernan, please.
Can we get a suggestion, please?
Dinosaur! Dinosaur.
I heard dinosaur 2 times. Thank you.
Don't look at me anymore. Let's quickly jump through this. Don't look at me, please. Don't ever look at me.
Very good, Thomas. Very good. You're all set for Halloween.
Very good.
You look great. You look great. It's fantastic. Thank you.
Let's not stop this fun. Keep going.
Very good. Very good. Oh my God, you're frightening everybody. You're frightening everybody. Thanks, Dad. Keep moving.
So is everybody, let's find out where we are. Maybe the back line can get involved.
The
back line is not reacting right now.
You want some candy? Oh my God, such a scary giant dinosaur.
Real scary, huh?
Yeah.
So nobody is scared, so this is right now not a funny scene anymore. Next scene.
Sometimes I just look at the animals and I wish I could work at a place like this. Yeah, sometimes I look at the animals and I just wish I could be one of them. Right? All the freedom, not having to worry about insurance and
Okay, there's some
jobs.
animal walk.
All right, folks. Thanks for visiting the penguin feeding time. It's 2:30, so that means it's time to feed the penguins.
Great! Yay!
Where's the cool one to wear? That's good.
Get our penguin food.
And here they come.
Okay, physical audience like that. Keep going.
An anchovy.
Let's keep it on. This is a walk-on.
Really exciting.
Okay, you have to stop talking while I'm talking. So these two people who are originally in the scene, so we have to keep making them look good. Keep going.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Sir, I thought we had to feed the penguins during penguin feeding. Yeah, what? They just walked by and we didn't get to feed them at all.
Oh no, they just gave me this job yesterday, so I'm the penguin feeder now.
You walked out and you said it's time for us to feed the penguins. Yes. It was very.
Oh, did I? I misspoke.
Bradley, let's not argue. Keep going.
You know what? I'm feeling a little nice today. So, go to my boss.
Let's name it, label it right away.
This is half an anchovy. Go ahead and feed it.
Speak up. This is not a very good projection right now. No, okay, you're off. And next scene. No comments.
Yeah, it's this incredible skeleton.
Yeah.
It's like it's just about to come to life and eat us, right? Mary?
It doesn't look like Mary, but it's okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a haunted house. I know it looks realistic, but...
Why are we seeing this scene today? Let's find out.
It's Halloween.
I wanted to take you somewhere scary so that you'd like rush into my arms.
Oh.
Hey guys, welcome to John's
Walk-on happened. This walk-on never happened. Keep going. Does she want to make... No, go back. Does she like this guy? Let's find out.
I mean, I like getting physical at the end of the day. It's not so much during them.
Oh, well, we're gonna see some really scary stuff in here. The dinosaur skeleton is just the start. Halloween, we're gonna see, like, there's gonna be, like, a coffin.
We cut to the end of the date.
I had a lot of fun tonight. We got really scared, we had a real connection.
I wanted to tell you that I was raped as a child.
This is horrible. What do you say? Okay. Okay, please.
huge meteor slowly quickly makes its way.
Let's support this mistake.
Closer and closer to its destination.
A satellite tracks it, beaming images back to a panicked Houston.
Have to make the same mistake. Keep going. Panic.
The panic Houston panics really slowly. And then fast, and then fastly.
Don't make an ass out of yourself. Okay, nobody's supporting these two poor people. And next week. Attack the stage. This is very awkward. Yeah, attack the stage.
Frankie, you know you're my younger brother, so I won't punch you. Don't let me find out you've been screwing around with my gal.
Oh, no, Tony, if she was sitting right here with her legs propped open.
Passed out!
No, I'm saying, Tony, what are we doing?
Let's find out where we are. Next
Anyway,
thing.
2 slices of pizza.
Good Yuri scene ever. Keep going.
How you like it, little brother? Good pizza, huh?
Oh, it's great, Tony, it's great. It's great as your girlfriend tastes.
What was hiding?
What?
What?
Wait, as my girlfriend tastes? How do you know what her vagina, what flavor it is?
I just imagine because you love us so much. That was an indirect compliment.
I told you years ago I got 2 fists and I can punch you with both of them.
Then you can do your object work and let's see the girlfriend. She'll make it quiet, please. Stay away from plot.
Frankie, Tony.
Denise, you're on break for 10 minutes.
Yeah, I'm on break.
Well, looks like the cat came out of the bag and he's feeling frisky.
And one more scene. Everybody's in the scene. Everybody's in the scene.
Hi, welcome to Childhood Rape Survival Group.
Oh, yeah. No, they have to look at me and make the audience happy about this. I don't care.
Do you know where Coloring Books 101 is?
Yeah, that's the room next door.
Okay.
So let's make the rape thing not as much awkward as funny. It's going to be hard, but that's your challenge.
You know, it's a terrible thing to be assaulted sexually. But it's a great thing to have a group of guys you can hang out with and have a good time. Yeah?
I totally agree. In my regular life, I couldn't find a bunch of guys that I could talk about being raped with. It's nice that I met all these guys and I can come.
It was dead over there. It's too dreary.
So many years, I was just a lonely rape victim.
Right now it's too much rape. Let's do more like colorful books or whatever.
Did you guys want to color?
Yeah, we did steal some coloring books from the other room, so we should do that.
Anybody like soccer? Anybody like playing soccer?
We were going to color, but I love soccer.
Yeah. After color, let's play soccer.
You guys don't mind, I'm terrible at color. I've never taken a color 101 class. We're not here to judge over at Childhood Rape.
Guys, my book's already colored. It looks like someone's taking the virginity of this little girl.
It's okay!
It's okay!
It's okay!
Why don't you feel okay?
Let's not color. It's
It's going to get a little rapey, which is good.
something else.
I mean, he wants to play soccer. He's really amped on playing soccer.
Got a soccer ball
Make it
over
happen,
there.
make it happen.
John, you play soccer.
I gotta pack the tape, I'll make some tape.
All right, nice.
Don't talk on top of each other, please. This is the most annoying thing ever.
Very good. That's not a goal. That's got 2 goals.
Hang on,
We have
guys.
no goals right now.
Now we lost all the fun of the scene. Policy. Object work, eye contact, relationship.
Oh, it's like the only thing we have for game night is a single pack of cards.
How did it happen?
Problem already, some kind of problem, okay.
I don't know where all our games went, unless they're
You
going
want to
away.
play cards?
No, I'm not.
Nobody talks like that, Jeffrey.
All right, Jeffrey. Now we're almost done with your speech therapy. Let's just repeat after me. Okay. You want to go to the zoo.
You want to go to the zoo?
You're done.
Good chance for callback, by the way.
Making fun of how I spoke.
No, your speech is perfectly fine. Now go out into the world and speak.
Okay.
All right.
We see him go out into the world.
It's also called a tag out. You just did a tag out.
Welcome to the TV, sir.
Hi. May I have a driver's license?
Oh, you are.